Here I have Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add a schedule to it. You can change its name, you can select days on which it will be active, you can select start time and end time of this schedule, you can allow calls and messages from specific contacts, from everyone, from contacts only, or from favorite contacts. You can also enable repeat callers option. You can also add messages to exceptions. You can add apps. Also you can add alarms, media, sounds, touch signs, calendar, events, and also reminders. You can also hide notifications. You can hide all notifications, or you can hide specific ones and other unhide. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.